Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Vudu on your Android TV box and link it to your account, follow these step-by-step instructions for seamless streaming. Step 1. Turn on your Android TV box and navigate to the Google Play Store from the home screen. Step 2. Use the search function to find the Vudu app in the Play Store. Step 3. Select the Vudu app from the search results and click Install to download it to your device. Step 4. Open the Vudu app after installation is finished. You'll see a screen displaying an activation code. Step 5. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to vudu.com. Activate. Step 6. Log in with your existing Vudu account email and password. If you don't have an account, create one first. Step 7. Enter the activation code shown on your Android TV box screen into the designated field on the website. Step 8. Click the Activate button to link your device. Return to your TV and the Vudu app will automatically refresh, giving you access to your purchased content and rental library. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.